Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some farm animal toys. Let's take the animals out of the barn. Here's a llama, a sheep, an alpaca, donkey, a horse, a bull, a water buffalo, a calf, a pony, a goat, a cat, a farm dog, a rabbit, a pig, a mule, and a cow. Now let's go in the loft and see what animals are here. Here's a turkey, a peacock, here's a rooster, a hen, and chicks. Ooh, there's some animals in the pond. Here's a swan, a goose, ducklings, they're so cute, and a duck. The buffalo wants to be in the water. And also, I'm going to put the ducks in the water. And the swan in the water. Here's the cow crossing the bridge. Here's the calf. He wants to chill here. Ooh, here's the bull crossing the bridge. He wants to stay right here. Here's the chicken coop. The turkey wants to stay next to the chickens. And also the peacock wants to join them. The sheep and the goat want to stay here. Ooh, the pig is looking for food. We'll give her apples later. Here's the dog. He looks happy. The cat wants to chill on the bridge. Ooh, a squirrel. Here's the rabbit. Ooh, a chipmunk. And I see a hedgehog. Here's a tractor bringing some food for the animals. Now let's feed them. Okay, well, if you guys have enjoyed this video, subscribe to RaceToyTime channel. And before you go, click on those videos on the screen to watch more fun videos here in this channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.